Hey guys, welcome back to Pep the Parrot. Today we're going to be playing Emotes catalog, and because my brother asked me today if a parrot could dance. Can a parrot dance? Of course a parrot can dance. Watch me. Hate these freaking pop-ups. Ooh, girl, she just ginormous. Anyways, here's how a parrot dances. Yeah, get it, get it. I honestly have no clue what this dance is. I just clicked on it. Why are my limbs moving like that? Ooh, I do not like that. Ooh, get it, parrot, get it, parrot. Yeah, watch me dance. I am getting into it.
And so they
Ooh, that is nasty. Ooh, that is nasty. Get it. Oh, that one's kind of boring. Oh, it's kind of cute. Oh, we kind of cute. Oh, I love that. Okay. Anyways, next dance. Oh, we getting jiggy with it. Get it, get it. Oh, I love how my wings are just flapping back and forth. This is going to be a shorter video because I just kind of had to post something and I thought you guys would like this. So, okay, here's our next emote. Hold on. Oh my god, guys, I should do the nervy dance since I'm like the parrot. Hold on, we're going to do it. Yeah. Oh my goodness, we're doing the nervy dance. This is iconic. Everybody take a screenshot. You're seeing Pep the Parrot do the nervy dance. Iconic right here. This is premium content. Oh, I'm kind of slaying. Okay, next one. Aw, dang, freaking Robux. Oh, I'm being shot? Oh, nope, we're aura farming. Gosh dang it. Yep, we're aura farming. Okay. Oh, that's different. Yeah, okay. Oh, okay. One summer night. I'm very sorry. Don't know if I like this dance. Don't know if I don't like it. I probably should stop talking. Okay, anyways, next dance. Oh, okay, anyways, bye. Pep the Parrot, go follow.